Hi guys, it's Maureen. Can you believe it's almost Christmas? Oh my god. So anyway, this video is about this dish. So this is one dish that you can make on Christmas Day. I'm gonna try and do more dishes that you can cook on Christmas. Yeah, so I hope you're going to enjoy this Christmas series. Yeah, so just be on the lookout. I'll make sure I share as many recipes as I can. Anyway, enjoy this video. This dish was very yummy and yeah, easy to do. For the cheddar cheese, I got that from Game. You can find that in Game. It's not very expensive. It's 1,000 something, I think, if not 2,000. Yeah, so just go check it out. Even the Imana tomato stew mix, I also got that from Game. It was around 2,000 something. Yeah, so if you want to try this recipe, pass by Game and get the ingredients. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye.